ongoing maintenance of the simple 400 kilowatts motor starting
That's right.
preliminary investigation high pressure cooling oil jet caused by the damage of the framework seal and shaft seal of the main engine.
The oil filter base of Atlas GA7 5kW is broken. Have you ever encountered it? Patrol inspection and maintenance. Although the mini machine is small, it has all the internal organs: air filter, air cooling, oil temperature control valve.
Listen up,
Pre-host failure.
I got a message to deliver about living life to the fullest, yo. I'm a giver. Forget the stress, leave your worries behind. It's time to shine, let your spirit on.
Atlas 75 kilowatt frequency conversion air compressor irregular frequency converter fault alarm. Did you go to this problem?